Welcome back to Maxx Power. What I'm here to show you today is how we flush our system. Hydroponics is kind of hard to flush sometimes if you're doing a perpetual cycle with individual plants. If you've got a system where the buckets are connected, it's very hard to get them apart to do a good flush. So what I'm going to show you is our new system for flushing one of our buckets. So as you know from the previous videos, any bucket of ours, you can simply just detach from the system and pull away as an individual plant. The problem is from there, how do I monitor and flush it if I want to? So what I'm going to do is show you what I've come up with. What these are is simple check valves, and right here we have a high output air pump. So into a T, and I'm going to be essentially just flushing these two buckets here separate from the system. So if this bucket was plugged into the system as it is with the two hoses, its power and its return, there you have a large plant in here. The root mass is going to be growing all around the manifold inside. So you don't want to pull this lid off and pull that manifold out. That's going to mess up your roots, especially if you're at the end of fruiting or flowering. You don't want to disturb the plant too much. So again, what we've come up with is pretty simple. First, we just pull out our two tubes, which every system has, and we could cap these off or just put them up till we put another bucket in its place. And then now we have this bucket here, which would have a large plant in it, and there's two holes in here where the grommets are. So all we're going to do to get this to work is simply slide this in. What I've done here is I've taken one of the check valves, just put a little 1/4 inch piece of tubing on it so that it pushes the air out into the middle of the bucket area. So this I'm just going to insert into the lower hole, and it just so happens that it's the perfect diameter as all of our insert tubes, so it fits in there and stays. And then this will tell you your water level. So you can simply push this in, and now you've got two buckets ready to go, ready to flush. You can run one at a time with the adjustable manifold, or you can run up to 4. So this is our new flushing system, and I hope you guys really like it. Basically from this point on, what you do is you just monitor it, put fresh water in. I like to add a little bit of sweetener or molasses or something, just to give the plant a little bit of carbs, help the sweetness, and help the taste and aroma of all of your fruits and herbs. So yeah, anyway, you guys got any questions, give a call. I'm Dave. You know the number, 920-447-2211. It's my cell phone, because I'm here for you guys. So get growing with Maxx!